Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2024 Boston Whaler 380 realm. This boat is equipped with twin 600 horsepower Mercury Verado V12s. This boat is a cockpit grill, refrigerator. Moving forward, this boat is full side glass, so no need for a plastic enclosure. 2 rows of helm seating. This boat is equipped with 3 16-inch Simrad MFDs, open array radar, chirp down vision. The boat also has joystick piloting, which includes an autopilot and skyhook for the Mercury Verados. Moving forward, you have a high-low power teak table that also has a filler cushion, so you can convert that into a lounge area. Thank you for watching. If you'd like additional information, you can reach me at 781-727-0629. Thank you.